Jeffree Star. Girl. Y'all, it's here. Oh, wrong product. This is it. Today we're gonna review the new Velvet Trap Jeffree Star lipstick. So apparently he changed his packaging and formula. I've never tried the original one. First of all, I had no money because I lived in LA and Hollywood. I was broke to buy anything. Oh, and FYI, this look, even like the contour and the eyes, blood sugar, y'all. And the reason why I have this is because Murph, what they call? Sorry, ooh, Murph, girl, what's it called? Morphe store. Sorry, I'm looking at this. The Morphe store is having a 50% off on Jeffree Star. I went to Sephora the other day and then I was like, oh, Morphe is right across, you know, the store from Sephora. Sephora's still gonna my nerves. Anyways, so I saw this. Sorry, I saw this was 50% off. When it came out, when I was in Hollywood, I wanted it so bad. But I didn't have $52. But 50% off I do have. Sorry, my hair's getting on my last nerves, y'all. I might have to put it up or something. Don't judge my hair right now because I need to tone it. So do not come for me, okay? Like, whatever. Don't come for me. I need to tone my hair. I know it, okay? So I already opened the box because when it came, I got too excited. I was like, I just want to see the packaging. But again, I never got to play with the original one. He reformulated, kind of repackaged it. You can definitely tell the difference, but the style of it kind of looks the same to me. Anyways, so it's here. I won't show the other side because it has my address. Oh, girl. So it comes in. Let me show. Let me at least try. Hold on. To look cute. Hold on. Let's do it like we're reopening it. Yay. I gotta do it. Yay. What I love right away is that it definitely is packaged well. There's a lot of... Oh, shit. I think I broke it. So, okay. Here it is. Hold on. See if I can get that. Velvet. Oh, sorry. Oh, how did these YouTubers do it? Hold on. Whatever. Velvet Trap. All right. It came with wrapping paper. Yeah. Came with that. And my receipt. That's the whole collection. If y'all want to see, that is the full collection of Velvet Trap. I believe these are the two colors I got actually. And there is the promo that they had. Listen, I am in no PR package. I have no money like that to be buying every color. But I'm going to be honest with y'all in this review. Is it worth your dollar buying Jeffree Star? Right away, I'm going to say yes, but I don't know about this formula in these lipsticks. Because I play with hundreds of different brands and different lipsticks. Especially working at y'all know where we don't speak of. So, this is bomb. Okay, so these are the colors I got. Funeral Pilar. Funeral Pilar? I don't know. I can't read, y'all. Let me see. It's Funeral Pilar. I don't know. I can't read. So, the next one. Malibu Beach House. Okay. That was the one that got me excited about buying it right away with Malibu Beach House because it kind of reminded me of that Nicki Minaj when she came out with MAC. The lipstick that she came out with kind of like a purple, velvet, pink nude kind of color. It was so hard to find ever again that was original to that. MAC people were like, oh, this one is kind of the same. I'm like, no, it's not. No, it's not. So I had two of them, but 8. Okay, I'm lying. I had 5. I lost them all at the club. So we're gonna open Malibu Beach House. Ooh, I love the packaging. It is a little bit, it does have a bit of a weight in it. So it does have weight in it, which I love. Before I show y'all the product, my mother saw it. And she right away was like, it reminds me of I don't know if I can say it on YouTube, but a man's, you know. Y'all know what I'm talking about? Listen. I can see why. So. It actually looks like an adult kind of toy. I love the packaging. It has his... Sorry. Oh my god, I need to learn how to do this. Focus here. It has the Jeffree Star logo there. Both sides. It's like a transparent Jeffree Star. His name is on it. And it has its magnet. Oh, there's the color. It's magnetic. Which I love. Hold on, let me show y'all. See that? That's the head. I just sharing information. Ooh, girl, coronavirus. I'm excited to play with it because I haven't been able to play with it. Let me do some swaps on my arm. That's what people do. Oh, let me show you the other one though. The Funeral Polar. Whatever. I'll write it down right here. Somewhere. Y'all. This one. Okay. So let me show you something. When you bring it up. Let me show y'all if I can. Do y'all see? Hold on. How did these YouTube kids do this? Lord. Okay. Do y'all see? Hold on. Okay, there you go. Do y'all see how it has the kind of like the 3D? It's like popping out his logo, which I love. I think it's amazing. This color, I love me a good nude. I love me a nude. I have like almost every company I have a nude. At least one goddamn nude. So I thought that was cool. Great packaging. I love it. Now is the formula worth buying this? Because I don't give a damn if Dior comes out with something. They have beautiful packaging. If it sucks, it sucks. You know, I'm not about to go and... Oh, by the way, this retails for $18. Let me just double check. Where the hell is that other receipt? Oh. Hold on, y'all. So it's worth 18 bucks. Are my lashes staying on? Yeah. Okay, whatever. So they're retail for $18. And which is not a bad price. I'm kind of forgetting now how much lipsticks cost after not working at a retail store. So let's try it out, see how it feels. I'm gonna do one swap right here. Hold on. Here. He said, and y'all can go and watch this video. He said one swipe and you can see pigment around those kind of words. Let's see. Let's see on the back of my hand. One swipe. Do y'all see that? Oh yeah, you can't. Okay. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, y'all see that? Yeah, that's one swipe. Alright. That's pretty. That's real pretty. It kind of looks a little different here. Then y'all see... Do y'all see it? Or am I tripping? Anyways. It looks good. Now, we're going to try the other one. The Malibu Beach House. So again, we'll do a swipe. Okay, so where did I put that one? So I'm going to put this right above it. One swipe. Ah, okay, it kind of looks the same. One's just lighter than the other one. Let me see. Oh no, I see the difference. Okay, y'all see that right there? Hold on. It has a smell. Kind of like a cookie kind of smell, like fresh out of the oven. Hold on. kind of smell. Yeah. Like a fresh, when you like open it, the oven, it's like fresh baked cookies. And it just, you know what I mean? That's what it smells like. I'm sorry, but hold on. I'm sorry, but it is hot. It's hot. Because I had the ring light, y'all. Hold on. Y'all, it is. I have the ring light on. Usually my house is already cold. I was trying to be cute with my hair, but this is what y'all gonna get, okay? I'm thinking about buying wigs, and because I'm too lazy to be doing my hair. So, hold on. Let's try the Jeffree Star Velvet Trap. I'm gonna use Makeup Forever 606 Forever Walnut. It's my favorite nude. Alright, so I got my lip liner on. What do y'all think? Whatever. Y'all get what you get, okay? So I'm gonna try the Funeral, whatever. I'm gonna try this one. Do you want to try the lighter one? Alright, let's see how it feels on my lips right away. Nothing on my lips. Y'all see, there's nothing on my lips. Oh, look at that. Y'all see the highlight? Girl. Oh. Hair in the way. Alright, let's try this out, y'all. Y'all witnessing the first time. Alright. What do y'all think? I love it. I love the color. The formula, it feels soft. It's so soft. It goes with the look, right? Right? Yeah. Do y'all like the look? Whatever. Y'all don't like it, y'all can do my makeup. Oh shit. Sorry, I need the big mirror. Girl. Alright, so I'm looking at the big mirror. I love it. I give it like a 7.5 out of 10. Cause it's kind of looking a little dry. It is a matte though. It's like a, but it kind of looks like I haven't exfoliated my lips, which I have. I like it though. I like it. Don't get me wrong. A bitch likes it. I'm gonna wear it. I love it. So now, so it's good. I'm gonna keep my mirror here, y'all. So don't hate me. Now, let's try the next color. I'm gonna get my little wipes to take this off. Give me a second, y'all. Hold on, let me do this. So I took it out. This is my natural lips. I'm gonna do my liner one more time. Hold on. Alright, liner's on. Now, we're gonna try the Malibu Beach house. Here you go. Put my mirror right there. Don't hate me. Let's try it. Okay. Right away, I'm noticing that I need to keep applying and applying and applying more to get the formula. But then it gets kind of wet. I don't know. Hold on. Dry it out. Do y'all see that? Okay, I got it there. I got it. It's cute. Y'all see that? I like it. It's really nice. I love both formulas. This is really cute. I'm really happy that I bought them. Both. Y'all tell me what y'all think underneath the comments. If you bought it, let me know what y'all thought about it. I like it. Again, there's so many different colors to choose. I don't have the money for that. But if you have a sugar daddy, tell your man to get online and order it for you. It's approved. Sugar daddy approved. I'm gonna just keep saying that Sugar Daddy approved because God knows I'm just throwing it to the universe. So he can come my way. He can come my way and get me out of this and back to LA. It's not that serious though. Please do though. The comments section is on the below. Anyways. So what do y'all think? I'm gonna try, before I let y'all go, I'm gonna try it with a lip gloss. This was the collaboration that he did with Morphe. I'm gonna try the clear one. Just to see what happens. I'm just curious. Because I like the glossy look. I love glossy. I don't like matte. I love glossy. This is a little kind of too matte for me. I mean, it's not matte. Like when he did a Kat Von D one. Like that shit was dry. But, let's see. Y'all see that? Pretty. Alright. Just throw on like a clear gloss and you'll be fine. There you go. Oh, y'all like that? See, I like it. Alright. So anyways, y'all. Love the product. Bomb.com. If y'all want to see any other reviews, I'm going to try to like continue with doing reviews. But if anything that y'all want me to try or want me to go shopping for and review, let a girl know. Put the comment down below. Thank y'all for watching me. I hope y'all like the look. And yeah, until next time. And yeah, just follow me on Alexander__Queen. I'm trying to get the Alexander Queen, but the boy hasn't deleted his account yet. If you watch this, can you delete it so I can have it? Or can you just give it to me? Alright, y'all. Have a good night. Love y'all.